Come on. Who makes forever. JP.
I know it's called Unicorn. That's so manless.
No, it's a different thread. Different thread, bro. Is it? Yeah.
I was gonna get a Desert Eagle, but it was
yes, bro. Can I roam around with this?
No, man. Look, his thing's stuck, man.
Oh
that's ridiculous. That is like, that's like some GoldenEye shit right there.
You gonna give it back?
Did you fix it? 12:28.
Oh, no, this thing up there, we're not allowed to. That's the point of cheating. Have you ever watched it? Did you watch Saving Private Ryan? Just expect to get shot like 10 times and expect to get out like that.
A little better.
Hey, fall back, fall back.
Coming up. Come on, I'm just the camera guy. Hey, you want to stop shooting at me? Hey, come on, I'm the fucking cameraman. You see the yellow? Shoot at me one more time and I'll fucking come over there with my pistol.